Good evening, everyone. Pastor David Jonke here from the Fanwood Presbyterian Church, and we thank you for joining us for the ringing of the church bell in memory of 400,000 lives lost to COVID-19. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your prayers. We give thanks for the wonderful work of our doctors and nurses and everybody involved in the saving of lives over the last year. And we lament, just as Jesus lamented from the cross, the loss of so many lives. And we pray for the families of those who have lost loved ones, asking that God would touch them and console them and bring hope in the resurrection. So please join me now as we listen to the church bell ring 40 times in memory of 400,000 lives lost.